Question number 16 is define mutual inductance between a pair of coils. Derive an expression for the mutual inductance of two long coaxial solenoids of the same length, one over the other. Okay. On the or part, the question is define self-inductance of a coil. Obtain the expression for the energy stored in an inductor L connected across a source of EMF. Now in the first part, we can write mutual inductance is numerically equal to the induced EMF in the secondary coil when the current in the primary coil changes by unity. Okay. Alternatively, we can also write mutual inductance is numerically equal to the magnetic flux linked with one coil, secondary coil, when a unit current changes, current flows through the other coil, or that is the primary coil. Now coming to the derivation part, firstly we will draw this diagram. So let a current I2 flow in the secondary coil. So the formula of P2 will be mu naught N2 I2 over L. Since the flux is linked with this primary coil is N1 A1 P2, so we will use this P2 from here. And finally we are getting this, and this is nothing but M1 to I2. So hence we are getting this what we required, M12 equals to mu naught N2 N1 A2 L, and this is equals to mu naught N2 N1 A1 L, where N1 is N1 over L and N2 is N2 over L. Now coming to the OR part. Okay, so here in first part we have defined self-inductance of a coil is numerically equal to the EMF induced in that coil when a current in it changes by a unit rate, or alternatively we could have also written it in this way: the self-inductance of a coil equals the flux linked with it when a unit current flows through it. Okay, in the second part, the work done against back or induced EMF is stored as a magnetic potential energy, and the rate of work done when a current I is passing through the coil is dW over dt is equals to this. Okay, so finally we are integrating it. Okay, we are integrating it dW, and we are getting integration is from 0 to 1, and Li di, so it will be half Li square, and this is the solution.